Have you really lived life to its full potential? Or do you feel stuck and have been watching it pass you by? Maybe so stuck that you believe it's who you are and lose sight of the person you can be. But here's the truth. Your life may be limited, but what you can do with it is limitless. Because there's God in you. You're like dragons mastered by weak men. And you're greater than you realize.
Judo jinker men la đạp tiếp trình im cần năm xa ấy Suki pa suki pin sa boy shala ka thong